In this video, we are going to see the topic under for the complex variable. It is nothing but type 2 problem. So the last video we have seen for the type 1 problem, which is how to find your like a dash of z and with the working rule, and we have learned it. First we have to verify your CR equation, then we can go with your f dash, right? So in the type 2 problem is nothing but how to construct an analytical function. Okay, so first I'll explain the step how to construct for analytical function, which is f of z when u or v is given, that is real part or imaginary part is given. So step 1, given u or v as a function of x and y, find ux comma uy or vx comma vy and consider f dash z is equal to ux plus ivx. So first step, either u will be the real part will be there or imaginary part will be there, and we have to make it will be in terms of function of x and y. Okay, so in that cases we should find ux and uy if it is real part is given, or vx and vy we should find if it is imaginary part is given. Okay, so after we have to consider your f dash ux plus I vx. So similarly, given u or v as a function of r and theta. So this is for Cartesian form we have seen. Now in polar form, what we have to do? We have to find here u r u theta or v r v theta, and you have to consider f dash is equal to e power I theta of u r plus I v r. So what is the next step? If given u, then replace vx is equal to minus uy, because we have only ux uy. Okay, in that differentiability like f dash equations, we are going to replace it. Ux is equal to minus uy or vr is equal to minus 1 by r u theta. Suppose v is given, then we have to replace in terms of v, that is ux is equal to vy or ur is equal to 1 by r v theta. Okay, so which is nothing but as a CR equation. Now what you have to do, after substituting that equation, we are going to replace x to be z, y to be 0 in Cartesian form, and if it is in polar form, r to be z and theta to be 0 in polar form. Okay, so after that you will have an equation in terms of only in z. Okay, now directly integrate with respect to z, we can get f of z. Okay, we'll go with the first problem. Find the analytic function whose real part is u is equal to log root of x square plus y square. So given only u is there, first step you can make it the ux uy we have to find out. Okay, so first it is log of square root is that, to make it an easy one I'm going to write as in 1 by 2, and it is nothing but log of a power n formula, so n log a. Okay, so 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square, because when you do the differentiation it will be easy, you can avoid a square root. Okay, so ux is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by x square plus y square into again x square differentiation will be 2x, y square will go for 0. So ux will be 2 will get cancelled, x by x square plus y square. Similar uy, you will get y by x square plus y square. So we know that what is your f dash? F dash is ux plus ivx, that is vx to be replaced by minus uy. I'll get here f dash of z is ux minus I uy. So what is your f dash of z? It is x by x square plus y squared minus I into y by x square plus y squared. So now next step, the last step, what you have to do? X to be replaced by z and y to be 0 as per the working rule. Okay, so substitute, I'll get f dash of z is equal to z by z square plus 0 minus I into, completely this will go 0 because numerator is 0. I'll get only the term of z by z squared is nothing but 1 by z. So on integrating with respect to z, I'll get f of z is equal to integration of 1 by z into dz plus c. So which is f of z is equal to 1 by z integration is log z plus c. So we have, what is that? We have constructed here f of z. Okay, so the next question, determine the analytic function whose real part is sin 2x by cos h 2y minus cos 2x, and also find its imaginary part. So here the additional question has been added. we need to find your f of z, and also we have to find your v term because u term has been given. So given real part has written u. So first step, find your ux. Here you are supposed to use u by v formula. What is that? You have to write it denominator into differentiation of numerator. So sin 2x will be 2 cos 2x, right? Into denominator minus numerator into denominator differentiation. I'll get only for the term of 2 into sin 2x, okay, by v square. So cos h 2y minus cos 2x the whole square. And similar, you can go with respect to y. So there is y term in the numerator. There will not be any y term here. So it will go 0 completely. The first term minus of sin 2x into differentiation of your denominator. And what is that? F dash. I should find ux plus ivx. So vx to be replaced by minus uy. So replace. Then immediately I am going to substitute x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So you can replace x is equal to z. I will get 2 cos 2z into 1 minus cos 2z minus 2 into cos sin square 2z. So cos 0 will be 1 here. That's why it's written 1 minus cos 2y. Okay. By here again cos 2y will be 1 minus cos 2z the whole square plus 0. I into 0 will be completely 0. Then you simplify, you will get this equation. It is 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. So what will happen? Again, you can see that the term, you can take a common for here minus 2. Cos square 2z plus sin square 2z will be 1. So I'll get only the term of 2 cos 2z minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z the whole square. So it is equal to, again minus 2 I am going to take out. So one term will get cancelled. It is minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z. Okay. 1 minus cos 2z I can write it. What is the term? I can write it sin squared z. Okay. So what is that? Sin squared z is nothing but like 1 by sin squared. I can write it cosecant squared z. So f dash of z is minus cosecant squared z. Now we can integrate. To make it a simple, it is simplified before going to the integration. Okay. Now we integrate. Cosecant squared z is nothing but cot z minus cot z. Minus into minus will be plus cot z plus c. Okay. So this is your solution. And then the question is asked to find additional imaginary part. For that reason, f of z to be written in terms of u plus iv. So it is cot of x plus iy. So what is that? Cot, I can write it cos by sin. And explain cos of a plus b and sin of a plus b formula. You can explain. So what is that? 1 by 2 into sin term plus what is the term you have here? Here it is taken cos of x plus iy by sin of x plus iy. So you need to make it separately u plus iv format. Okay. For that reason, to make it simple, what I have done it, multiple and divide by the term of sin of x minus iy. Okay. Sin of x minus iy by sin of x minus iy. So which is equal to, what I can write it here, sin of x minus iy plus x minus iy plus sin of x plus iy minus x plus iy. Okay. So it is has been used in the formula of sin a cos a sin b formula. Okay. Here also has been used it similar way. So I'll get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will get cancelled. So this is nothing but you can simplify. Iy will get cancelled. I'll get only sin 2x. And here I'll get only sin of 2iy, x term will get cancelled, right? And denominator also cos of 2iy minus cos 2x, okay, which is equal to sin 2x plus I sin h2y by cos h2y minus cos 2x. After simplifying this step, I can able to get this formula, okay. And then u plus iv is equal to real and imaginary part. Now we can segregate sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x plus I into what is that? Sin h2y by cos h2y minus cos 2x. So what is that? The coefficient of your imaginary term is your v, which is sin h2y by cos h2y minus cos 2x. Okay. So one more question in terms of polar form. Construct the analytic function whose real part is r square cos 2 theta. So what is given? U is given in terms of polar. So I should find the partial differentiation with respect to r and theta for u. What is that? With respect to r, 2r into cos 2 theta. With respect to theta, I'll get minus 2r square into sin 2 theta, because cos 2 theta differentiation will be sin 2 theta minus sin 2 theta. Okay. So now f dash of z, what is that? E power minus I theta of ur plus I VR, and r into VR is equal to minus u theta, which is VR to be replaced by minus 1 by r into u theta. So replace that. So I can get VR is minus 1 by r into u theta term. You can simplify 2r sin theta. Now substitute in f dash. So I'll get e power minus I theta of 2r cos 2 theta plus I into 2r sin 2 theta. Then put r is equal to z and theta is equal to 0 as per third step. Okay. So what is it here? F dash is equal to e power of theta is 0, 2z into cos 0 plus I 2z into sin 0. Right. So cos 0 will be 1. So sin 0 will be 0. I'll get only 2z, isn't it? Now I can go with the last step, which is integrate here. F dash, I'll get f of z is equal to integration of 2z dz plus c. What is that? 2z is nothing but z squared, 2z squared by 2. 2 will get cancelled. I'll get z squared plus c. So this is here finding here f of z. Construct here f of z in polar form. Okay. That's all. Thank you.